In this video, we are going to solve the sums based on the theorems of similarity of triangles. So our question is, in the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Number 2, it is given that AD is half of BD. We have to calculate DE if BC is 4.5 centimeters, and after that we have to find the ratio of the areas of triangles ADE and ABC. Then fourth part is we have to find the ratio of the area of triangle ADE and trapezium BCED. Alright, so let's take the first part. We have to prove these two triangles similar. So we will write in triangles ADE and ABC, angle A is equal to angle A, common, right? This is common in both the triangles. Since DE is parallel to BC, therefore this angle will be equal to this angle, corresponding angles. So we will write angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, reason corresponding angles, right? So we have two angles of two triangles equal to each other, so they are similar. So therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AA axiom. We have proved the two triangles similar, first part, right? Now, the second part. When the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. So, let's set that proportionality. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC is equal to AE upon AC. Right? Why? Because two similar triangles have their sides proportional to each other. Right? Now, we have to find, it is given that AD is half of DB and we have to calculate DE. Now we know the theorem that applies to similar triangles only. And what is that theorem? Okay, before that we will write this. Since AD is equal to half of DB, does that mean, if I shift this side, does that mean AD upon DB is equal to 1/2? Fine, right? Now, I will write AD upon AB is equal to, out of this I will choose these two, equal to DE upon BC, right? Now, AD is 1. If this is 1 and if this is 2, from this AD is 1, DB is 2. So, I can put here 1 upon AB is 1 plus 2 is 3 equal to DE I have to calculate, but BC is given 4.5. So, I will put 4.5 here, right? So, my DE, if I cross multiply, will be 4.5 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 fives are. So I have calculated DE as 1.5 centimeter. So I have answered the second part also, right? Okay. Now I have to find the area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC. So this is my third part. I know the theorem, if two triangles are similar, then the ratios of their areas is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, right? So I can choose any of the sides here. Let me choose this one only, AD upon, so AD square upon AB square, because I have the value of this AD by AB, I have 1/3. So this will be area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 square by 3 square, which is equal to 1 by 9. So I have found this also, right? Now he wants me to calculate area of triangle AD, ratio of area of triangle AD to area of trapezium BCED. Now let me solve this further here. If I cross multiply, what do I get from here? I will get 9 area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ABC, right? I will keep it as it is because I am going to use it. Now you see how. I have to find this ratio. So I will write area of triangle ADE. In place of this trapezium, can I write area of ABC minus area of ADE? Because if I subtract from area of triangle ABC, this part, I am left with BCD, right? So I can write area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ADE, right? So ADE I will write as it is, area of triangle divided by ABC. In place of ABC, can I write 9 times ADE? So 9 times area of triangle ADE minus area of triangle ADE. So this will give me area of triangle ADE upon 9 area of triangle ADE minus 1 area of triangle ADE is 8 area of triangle ADE. So this and this will go. I am left with 1 upon 8. So I have found this also, right?